Well, I started my recording as well. Good morning, everyone, team. Once again, a warm welcome, every one of you, to Triotech Software Trainings. So, today we are on day two training on this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. Yesterday, we had a demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. As part of the demo session yesterday, I have explained you all these aspects, team, like starting with the introduction to ERP. But prior to that, I introduced it to you about myself, who I am, what experience that I have in this technology, and what are the projects that I worked on in this domain. That all I have introduced it to you. And also, I quickly introduced about our Triotech software trainings as well, team. I mean to say, when we started our Triotech software trainings, then since then, how many students that we've been trained, who are our corporate training partners. And also I have gone through our social media platform introduction to you, like our YouTube channel, our Instagram channel to follow for the content related to the Oracle HCM cloud or other technologies. That all I have introduced it to you, team. And then, as part of yesterday's demo agenda, we have gone through these all things one by one. First, I introduce it to you the concept of ERP. So, what is ERP? Why companies will use ERP products in their organization, and particularly what is this Oracle Fusion HCM cloud application is about. Why any company will use this Oracle HCM cloud in their organizations, for what purpose, I explained you, team. And then I introduce it to you for whom this course is for. I told you who are the participants that can learn this particular technology. I have walked through on this slide. And then we discussed about the fusion applications evaluation path, like when or in which year Oracle started this fusion applications. Prior to this, what are the technologies that we are having? And I told you, right, in the year 2006, Oracle with $18 billion acquisition acquired all these products, and they launched fusion applications in 2011. The background of the fusion applications history we discussed here, team. And then I introduce it to you, like Oracle Fusion HCM, what are the other products that Oracle offering in the market? Oracle Fusion Financials Cloud, Supply Chain Cloud, CRM Cloud, PPM, Procurement, along with HCM. What are the different other products under Fusion banner Oracle offering? I told you. And then, team, yesterday I introduced it to you types of companies typically involved in any of the project implementations of any applications, team. Who is service provider, who is client or the customer, who is called as consulting company, and who will do what. And once you people learn this technology, in what sort of companies that you will be recruited and what we will be doing there, that clarity I given to you in this types of companies slide yesterday, team, right? And then I have also explained you the fusion environment releases here. So in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced this technology in the market, what is the version they introduced? Since then, how it got evolved, and what is the latest version in the Fusion applications, right, team? R13, that all we have seen, team. And also I told you yesterday, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Yearly 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application. I told you team. Correct. And every time when they upgrade the application, what is the numbering sequence that Oracle follow? I told each quarter Oracle categorized into A, B, C, D, and every year 4 upgrade numbering format they will follow like this. I told you 25A, 25B, 25C. Now we are in 25D. I told you. Next upgrade is what and all. These all things we discussed at team. And every quarterly upgrade, what happens in the system and all also we discussed. And then I explained you what are the modules we have in this technology, right? What comes under functional, what comes under technical. Then as part of this training program, what modules that we are going to cover in the market, what is the high demanded role and what you have to focus when you learning this technology. These all things we discussed yesterday team, right? Along with that, I also had a walkthrough on the salaries part as well team. Currently in the market, how the recruitment is happening, what ratio the salaries are being offered, right? And then I introduced it to you team, the course offerings yesterday. What will be our course timings every day? What benefits you will be getting as part of this training program, right team? Live training with lifetime video access, Oracle server access, project assignments, and as part of placement activity, our placement team will help you out with resume preparations, interview question and answers, mock interviews. Then also this drive folder materials, what all materials you will be getting as part of this training program, right? For every module, what are the materials we have, then the interview question and answers, assignments. These all things I have shown you yesterday, team. And also I told you as part of the placement activities, I'll be conducting the sessions on how to prepare the resume. Fresher means how, experienced means how, what projects to keep, and in real time, how the project implementation will happen, what are the different projects we'll have, how we will contact with the client, how we will speak with the client. These all things also I'll be training you before you going for the interviews I told you. And also creating the Naukri account, LinkedIn account, how to get in touch with the HRs for interviews to get scheduled. These all things also as part of the interview preparation I'll be covering. I told you team. So just to have a quick walkthrough what we discussed yesterday, I'm just going through and then I have presented to you few of the placement student success stories from Triotech who got placed in different companies, their messages and all we have seen team. Now today, what we are going to discuss. Yesterday demo is done. So today we are starting with our regular classes team. As I told you, every one of you please join on time by 8 o'clock. Today also, even now people are attending, joining, and still few more also yet to join today's class. So I request everyone from tomorrow, please join that session on time by 8 o'clock team so that we can close by 9 a.m. sharp every day 1 hour. Okay. So before starting today's session, today we will see the pending topics team. Yesterday we have to cover these two things, but because of the timing issue, I have not covered these aspects. Today, I'll be explaining you Oracle Knowledge Repository and Oracle certification process and also introduction to the Oracle Fusion application team. How to log in into the Fusion application. What are the basic home screen functionalities we have? That we will be seeing in today's session team. But before that, I want to get yourself cleared with two things from you people. What are they? People who completed the registrations, almost everyone in the call done. Today morning till whoever completed, because in midnight also few of the US people have submitted. Get yourself clear with these two things. One thing is everyone should be getting your learning portal. As I told you yesterday, you will be created with the learning portal access team. Everyday sessions where you should go to live classes login with your user ID and password. You have to log in here, and you should go to enrolled course, and you have to access your sessions here. I told you this learning portal access, once we create, we will be sending you emails to every one of you, whatever the email you have submitted to us in the registration time. I request everyone personally, please check out this from your side. Okay. Don't just attend the session as you are getting the Zoom link in the meeting, in the WhatsApp team. This is equally important. Every day after the class, if you have to refer the videos, this should be there for you. It will be for lifetime. Some of the people yesterday reported that mail have not received to them. I request once check out your spam folder also in the email inbox, because for few people I don't know, emails going to spam folders it seems. Once please verify team in your email inbox in the spam folder, have you received any email from Triotech or not? In that email, we mentioned clearly what are the steps to follow to access this dashboard. If anyone not yet received also fine, don't worry. Maximum by today end of the day you will get, because we have also some window period to get activated for your account team. Many people are there. We are creating one by one. So maximum by today evening, if that not happened, then please reach out team. Now you don't need to worry till 6 o'clock today. If you didn't receive any email after your registration, once please reach out to the admin team. They will be helping you out with that. This is number one. One more thing is whether you got added into the new WhatsApp community or not. That is also important team. Our team sharing you community link to join. Once click on that, you will be joining into that. Whoever registered for them, the link already shared team, but for few of them not yet shared. By today evening, if that is also not done, you didn't receive any message from our company, please reach out to the admin team, because anything that I want to communicate going forward with you people regarding the class timings, any change in the schedule or any holiday announcement or any materials that I want to share with you, any important documents I want to share with you, I'll be communicating only through that WhatsApp community team. So everyone should be in that WhatsApp community mandatorily. So I request everyone, equally, it's your duty also to get yourself verified whether these two things happened or not. Team. If you are not into that community and if you haven't received the portal access, you will be disconnected with me. There is no connection with me and you. So whatever I am going to share you, you will be missing team. From our side, we definitely do for every student mandatorily. But by any chance, because one or two people might be missing team, I request everyone from your end also, please do check out and get yourself with both these things done today. Okay. So just I want to give you a clarity on that part. Now, in today's session, team, let us start with our Oracle Knowledge Repository. What is Oracle Knowledge Repository, team? See, anyhow, you will be getting our custom materials to you for every module, as I shown to you yesterday. detailed materials, everything you will be getting. But on top of our material, if you want to access Oracle standard materials team, if you want to access Oracle delivered standard material, where in the internet you have to go and you have to search team, because it's a open source. Oracle providing their Aura docs, which is an open source platform for every student who learning this technology to access Oracle documentation team. Not only that, I told you yesterday, Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. Every three months, Oracle will upgrade their application. During this time, every module wise, new functionalities, new enhancements Oracle will brings in. For that matter also, for every quarterly upgrade, very important this is. Please concentrate. Very important. Every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading their system, Oracle will release the release notes into the market team. Means what? In this new upgrade, each module. Hi team, just a slight glitch in my network. Sorry for that. I am back. So just I'm sharing back my screen. Sorry for that. Okay. So every quarterly upgrade, when Oracle upgrading their application, each module wise, what are the new functionalities Oracle bringing in the upgrade? Oracle will be release a document into the market team. This is something very important. Everyone in the call, you have to make a habit of this. For every student of mine, I personally suggest to you people team, this one you have to make it as a habit in your next coming employment experiences team. Whenever you're working in this technology, you have to make this as a habit. Every 3 months, once you spend 30 minutes of your time to check out in this new release what new functionalities Oracle bringing in the system, to keep yourself updated with this technology. Because when we are working in this particular technology, okay, when we are working in this particular technology team, if application is evolving, if application is growing, we should also grow along with the application. Okay. To be in the market, to be competitive in the market, you should be updating yourself. Here, phenomenal changes you won't get in the system. Incremental changes, some basic functionalities only, Oracle will be improving day by day. So this particular activity, you have to make it as a habit by any chance. Every 3 months, once you spend half an hour to 1 hour, not more than that team, just 30 minutes to 1 hour if you spend. And if you walk through the document which Oracle sharing in that upgrade, each module wise, what functionalities Oracle bringing in, so that you will be easily grasping that theme. Acha, okay, in this module, this feature Oracle bringing. Okay, here this feature it removed. Like that, you can keep yourself updated, team. So when we are accessing the Oracle knowledge repository team, we will be seeing now how to access Oracle standard documents for this technology and also the release document, every quarterly upgrade, the standard release document which Oracle sharing about that upgrade, that also I will show you now. We can go team, just to go to your Google Chrome. Okay. Type as docs.oracle.com team. Just type as docs.oracle.com. I'm keeping it in the chat also here. You can also try it right away. Okay. You can also try it right away, team. I just texted in the chat button here. Right. So click on docs.oracle.com. So you will be landing upon this page, team. I have texted that link in the chat button, team. So this is just, you can type in the Google Chrome, docs.oracle.com. Just type like this, you will be landing upon this particular oracle.com page. Here, product wise, you can see all the Oracle products in the market, team. Cloud infrastructure, generative AI, autonomous database, MySQL HeatWave, then Java, systems, database, Apex, here cloud applications, team. Okay, our technology is what? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So come to cloud applications and here you can see Fusion Application Suite. Under Fusion applications, yesterday I told you different products we have, right? Like HCM, financial, supply chain. You can see the list: financial, supply chain, human resource, sales. Human resource is our stream. Click on human resource here. Click on human resource here so that you will land upon this particular page, team. Okay, Oracle Human Resources. On the left hand side, go to all books. Click on all books here. Okay, so here you can access, team, all Oracle documents here. You can filter. You want implementation guides, like every module in the system, how to implement that implementation guides you want. Then you can filter with implementation here, or user guides. Once we configure the system and hand over to the client, how they will use each module, that end user guides, if you want, you can able to go through that, team. Then implementation guides, if you want, you can check out here. So you can filter accordingly here, team. You can filter accordingly here, team. I'm going to implementation filter. So you can see here, see, implementing absence management, implementing benefits, compensation, global HR, payroll, help desk. In payroll, country-wise localization will be their, team. The documents country-wise, team. Every module, time and labor. See, so here you can come. Let's say I want to get a document related to this global HR module, team. Implementing global HR, click on this PDF. You can able to see the PDF getting loaded now. And it's a downloadable document, team. 368 page document for implementing the global HR module we have here. This is Oracle standard material. Every concept, explanation, diagrams, wherever is needed, everything we have that, team. You can download this also. But these are very hefty and very vasty. I personally suggest follow my material, team, which is very easy to handle in our very customized language. How to implement the module. We have our materials available. But parallelly, anytime if you want to refer Oracle documentation, this is the navigation you have to follow, team. Like this, for every module, we have the materials available here, team. You can able to find them. This is about all books. Then, team, quarterly upgrade release notes where we can find, like every quarterly upgrade when Oracle doing to the system, where the document we can find, team. If you go to cloud readiness here, Okay, above all books, we have cloud readiness team. Go to cloud readiness. Then here you will land upon your human capital management. And then team, you can select the release details here. You want the latest updates, prior updates, all updates. You can filter team. I'm filtering with latest update. And if I scroll down, again, I can filter module wise here. If not, you can check out team. See, benefits, what's new 25. I told you yesterday, the latest current upgrade version of the Fusion system is 25D. I told you. We are in December month, last quarter of this year. So in this 25D release, in benefits module, what's new? Compensation, what's new? Help desk, what's new? Human resource means global HR, what's new? Then compensation, OLC, learning team, ORC, recruiting module, then talent management module, absence management, time and labor, payroll. Every module in the system, what we have, all the modules list you can see team. Now I want to know in absence management module in 25D upgrade, what new features Oracle brought in. So go to this link team, absence management, what's new 25D. Click on it, then system will take you to that here. Absence management, what's new. Okay. So my screen is loading. Okay. So see here, absence management. And if I expand here team, and if I expand, these all are the new functionalities came in. See? So these are the new features in absence module we received in 25D upgrade team. Single accrual balance for multiple assignment. So what is that feature explanation in the front end, in which screen? Okay. Where that new functionality came in, like this detailed document Oracle will provide. Then global transfer processing for accruals based on hours. This is a new functionality Oracle bringing in. What is that functionality and what is that screen? Okay. So a detailed explanation team for every functionality that Oracle bringing in that module, we can able to check out here team. So this is for absence management module. This is for absence management module team. Then for another modules if you want. So what is that feature is about? Where is that impact is there in the system? For enabling that feature, any steps we have to follow. This is for absence management. Similarly, for another module, if you want team, come back. Let's say in compensation module, what new functionalities are there you want to verify team. So you can go to compensation management. Okay. Then expand that features, and these all are the new features in the compensation module team. Okay. So what is that feature is about? In which screen? Where is that impact is there? Everything with a very detailed presentation Oracle will provide to us. This is what I'm telling you, team. Every 3 months, you also go spend some time and get yourself updated, team. Next 26A will come. In next 10 days to 15 days, Oracle will release that document also. In next 10-15 days, for 26A upgrade in each module, what features they are going to bring. So this is the navigation to follow, team. So you can access in the docs.oracle.com both Oracle implementation documents for every module and also the release notes for every upgrade. What new features Oracle bringing in the system in each module, we can able to get ourselves knowledgeable here team. It's an open source. I have not logged in. Okay, I logged in, but even for you also, it's an open source team. Just to type it, you can verify now itself in that class docs.oracle.com and you can able to access them team. So this is about introduction to the knowledge repository, how to access Oracle standard materials from internet. Okay. Next team, because when we are about to start the program, these all are the prerequisites everyone should be aware of. That is why I'm telling you all these things, team, right? Next step, let me explain you Oracle certification process, because few of the students asking me even yesterday or in the class after the session in Q&A, and even over the meetings yesterday, couple of people was asking me about certification. I told in today's session I will explain in the class directly. What is this certification concept? Do we need to do certification mandatorily, or Kumar, just if I learn this course, will I able to get a job in the market? Let me give you a clarity on that aspect, team. Okay. See, let us talk about Oracle certification process. Okay. Oracle certification process. One important thing I want to tell you here, many people have this kind of confusion. Kumar, if I want to do a certification in Oracle Fusion HCM, can I do certificate for entire technology? No, absolutely no. Oracle not conducting the certificate exam for entire course, for entire technology team. No. Module wise, Oracle will conduct the certification examination. If you want to do a certification, you have to do module wise, core HR module, absence module, payroll module. Okay. For each module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam team. If you take global HR module, we have an examination by name Oracle, okay, Global Human Resource Cloud Implementation Specialist. The examination name for our core HR module team. Okay. Then for absence management module, Oracle Absence Management Cloud Implementation Specialist. Okay. Then there will be examination code for every module team. Like we have IZO 1046 slash 25. Okay. Then for this team, IZO, it's in 1054 or 56 is there for absent management module. Something I'm giving as of now. Like this team, module wise, Oracle conducting the certification exam. This is the examination name and the examination code for every module we have team. So basically, what will be the cost and procedure to book your exam? Oracle partnered with a company called View Pearson. Many of us know team in your college days, whenever you are preparing for any college admissions for abroad studies or anything team, you might be heard about different examinations like GRE, TOEFL, PTE, IELTS. So we used to have a test centers in the market where you can go and write, right? So View Pearson is one of that kind of company only. So this is an examination partner. They will deal with different technologies conducting the examination on behalf of them. So Oracle partnered with View Pearson company, which is an examination partner to conduct Oracle certification exams team. Prior to COVID, we used to have only offline mode. Means we used to go to View Pearson Test Center across the world in all the major cities. We have these test centers available. In Hyderabad also we have. We have to go there. We have to inform them about the module which we want to do the certification. We used to book the exam, pay the fee, sit there and we used to write. But post COVID, everything became online. So at this moment, we have both flexibilities. Either you can go physically to that office in your city, sit there and write the exam, or you can book your exam from your home at your available time and you can write, but that will be video monitored team. So here, if you go to the internet and if you type view Pearson, the very first website you will get that only team, pearsonview.com. So if you go to this pearsonview.com, you can search with your examination name and you can create your account in this. Then ID will be created to you. You can pay the fee, book the exam, and you can write the exam team. So this is for online program. Okay. And also directly you can go to Oracle University website also, education.oracle.com team. Even if you go to Oracle University website, there also you can able to schedule your exam team. Directly if you go to education.oracle.com, from here also you can able to schedule. See how to schedule the exam, how to create the account in View Pearson, how to go to this particular Oracle University website and how to book your exam team. These all things I have made a video on YouTube and we uploaded. See here recently only I have uploaded a session on that team. How to apply Oracle certification in 2025. So if you want to follow that, you can go through this team because in this I have explained how to create the account, how to book the exam by paying the fee, how to schedule that all. That is not our information to provide in this session. Here I want to make you clear where we have to go, what is the process and what is the cost and what is the examination pattern team. But steps to follow, how to create the account and all, you can refer this video in the YouTube team that you can able to get the details clearly. So these are the two places where you can go and you can book your exam and you can write. Coming to the examination pattern, see 80% of the questions will be MCQs, multiple choice questions team. Every module will have a different number of questions depending upon the size of that module. Core HR is a big module team. So we generally have 100 to 120 questions in that. Absence is a small module. We can expect 55 to 60 questions in that. Like payroll module, we can expect 80 to 90 questions. And within that team, 80% of the questions are in MCQs and 20% are live scenarios team. Actually, 2 years back till 2023, completely MCQs only we used to have, like our MSET exam, question with 4 answers. Choose the correct answer type team. But last 2 years, Oracle made their exam bit complex because many malpractices are being using, many AI tools people using to cheat the exam and they're one person writing on behalf of other person like that. So what Oracle did team, along with MCQs, 20% live scenarios Oracle introduced. They will give you a situation or a requirement and the application access to you. You have to configure then and there itself and you have to submit team. Practical. Okay. So along with the MCQs, live scenario also Oracle brings to their examination nowadays team. Then then negative marking also will be there team. Negative marking will be there. Pass percentage is 75%. 70 or 75% team subjective to module wise, it will change actually. When you are booking an exam and you are writing, you should get at least 75%. Negative marking will be there, right? And cost for each module, Oracle charging is around 23,000 INR plus applicable taxes scheme. I know the exam from 4,950 rupees onwards team. But now in 2025, the Oracle certification cost for each module around 23,000 plus taxes team. And this is a non-refundable deposit. You book the exam, you paid the fee, you return the exam and you failed. That's all. You will lose the money. So no multiple attempts, nothing team. Be very careful whenever you're writing the examination, if you are 100% confident, then only you are attempt it, or else you will lose it, team. Kumar, you told us you train on this technology. Now again you are telling that certification again 23,000 for each module. So how much we have to spend on this? Don't get worried, team. Absolutely no. The certification mandatory? Absolutely a big no. Okay. Just for your information purpose, I am telling you. Whenever you're learning this program, you might be a fresher or an experienced non-IT, anything is fine. Certification is not a mandatory criteria. Compare it to Workday, Salesforce, and other domains team. The best advantage in Oracle Fusion applications we have is companies will not recruit you based upon your certification. It's not a mandatory criteria to do certification in Oracle Fusion applications. But when we will be required to do, Kumar, see, once you join the organization, okay, you got selected, you got some company offer letter, you got started your employment there. Whenever you've been moving from one project to another project, team, some clients are very particular about their consultant certifications, team. Clients will insist to your company, whoever the people working in our project, they have to be certified implementation specialist. Then your project manager will ask you to do the certification for one or the other modules, team, as per the client requirement. During that time, you no need to spend your money. Your company will bear the cost for you. Once you join any IT company on this technology team, you check out with your manager or the HR, they will have the coupons, team, because generally IT companies, when they partnered with Oracle, when they're doing the Oracle implementations and all, Oracle will provide free coupons for the company's team. They will provide to you. You no need to spend any single rupee from your pocket. Don't do that. It's really a bad decision. Okay. Once you join the organization, if the requirement comes in, your project manager asking you to do the certification because the client insisting, then company will bear the cost for you and you can write the exam and you can clear it, team. But while you entering into the market to get a job, certification will not play any role in your life. So a very big no. So don't get trapped here, team. There are things going on outside where people will say we do proxy, do come, we pay 80,000, 1 lakh, we will clear the certification for you. Don't get into any of these things. Not at all required. 100% take it as granted. Okay. Once you get into your companies, if it required there, then you can do, team. So even for that matter, if you are doing, you reach out to us, we'll be there to assist you. We have the dumps available for each module, team. 80% of the questions that what you are going to get in the exam will be readily available with us, team. So module wise dumps we will provide to you after the training. With the knowledge of this, with the help of the dumps, you can able to happily clear that, team. Okay. From my side, I'll provide that support to you. Don't worry. But this is something which will come to you once you get into the company if required, subjective to conditions, team. Okay. So this is about certification process that happens in Oracle Fusion. So now it is not required, leave it aside. Then what we can talk, team. Now let us introduce to you the Fusion HCM Cloud Applications, team. I told you yesterday, Fusion applications are completely on a cloud-based technology, team. Correct? The name itself, what team? Our course name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So, cloud-based technology means what, team? Cloud-based technology means what, team? When any company buy the product from Oracle, how the application will be delivered to them? Cloud-based technology means a software that is hosted over the internet. A software that is hosted over the internet. For example, team, I'll take an example and I'll tell you. Let us take our very well-known company in India. Tata Group is their team. Okay. So Tata Group purchasing the product from Oracle Corporation, Oracle India Private Limited, because this Oracle Fusion applications are owned by Oracle, right? So Tata Group want to use this Oracle HCM Cloud in their day-to-day HR operations team. Now Tata approached Oracle and Tata bought this Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications for them. Okay. How the application will be delivered to Tata Group team? Just in the form of URL. This is our Fusion application team. This is our Fusion application team. Just in the form of URL team. So this is the Fusion application. Just take this. Okay, let me go to any of the Chrome, any window team here. Okay, just if I paste it here and if I enter, I will be entering into the Fusion system. Already in my Google Chrome, I got logged in or else team. Just let me sign out and I'll work on this. So generally it will be like this team. Once you come here, just keep your URL in any of your browser, Google, Firefox, Internet Explorer, anything. Then enter it team. So system will take you through this sign in page. So username and password. You should have an account to access the Fusion application team. So once you pass your user ID and password, and if you click on sign in, my page is loading here. See, I'll be entering into the Fusion applications. This is the Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Application User Interface. So this is what our Fusion applications team. Did I installed any application in my laptop, in my desktop? Or am I running any program in my laptop? Nothing. That is what team cloud-based technology. When any company buy the product from Oracle, Oracle Fusion applications will be delivered just in the form of URL. To access that, you should have your user ID and password, like our Facebook account or LinkedIn account or Gmail account. To log in into them, we require user ID and password. Same way. This is the Fusion application team. Just in the form of URL, the application will be delivered team. So this is cloud-based technology. Application is maintained over the internet by Oracle itself. When any company buy the product, the application will be delivered. A basic laptop and a basic i3 version of laptop also sufficient to work on Fusion applications team. A good laptop or a basic laptop of good condition with good internet, you can able to access the Fusion application by sitting anywhere in the world. There is nothing restriction here, no software to run in your laptop, no program to run in your laptop team. So this is the Fusion applications home screen functionalities team, the look and feel, the UI of this Fusion application. Here I want to tell you something important team. Okay. What are the different names that we can call our Fusion applications? I'm using a word URL. You should not use that. That's a very layman terminology team. Whenever you working in the real-time projects, what are the different names that you can refer to call the Fusion application? For example, you want to discuss with your colleague in the project, hey, can you please give me the client application access? You should not call or you should not refer, hey, can you please give me the client URL? Or hey, can you please give me the client web link? You should not call with these terminologies team. Oracle given particular names or terminologies to refer the Fusion applications. What are they? The general layman terminologies are URL, link, like that team. But the actual terminology, you should refer the Fusion application as environment, instance, server, okay, server, then pod, okay, then tenant, okay, okay, environment, instance, server, pod, tenant, or sandbox. These are the official names that Oracle suggesting to refer the Fusion applications team. When you're speaking with someone team, these jargons you used to maintain in your projects. Don't call, hey, can you please give me the URL of that client, link of that client? That doesn't looks official team. So these are the official terminologies you have to refer or call Fusion applications in your projects. You can call it as environment. Yesterday also in the slide when I am informing you the course offerings team, what I mentioned here, 5 months Oracle server access, I told you. Server access. That is what here I mentioned. Server. See, you can call it as environment or instance, server, pod. Pod means platform on demand. Tenant, sandbox. These are the different names we can call the Fusion applications team. Then one more important knowledge takeaway here. What is that? See, whenever Oracle selling the product to different customers in the market, customer to customer in the instance, what will be the unique ID here, team? Because some of the situations, whenever you working in the real time, you might be working for multiple projects also. Particularly, team, in this technology, once you get a job, we will be working in different types of projects, implementation projects, support projects, testing projects, like that. What are they and all, I will tell you in our placement preparation workshops and all. Particularly in support projects, whenever you are working for 2 3 clients, you will be working simultaneously, team. Means for multiple projects you might be working in real time. During that time, how you can identify which client environment is which? For example, team, 2 3 clients you are working, client A, okay, client B, client B, and a client C. For 3 projects you are working, A, B, C. Let's assume, team, client names are like this. How you will identify which client application is what? Okay. Customer to customer, when Oracle selling the product, these 4 characters. Now I have what, team? FA/EUBG. Customer to customer in their environment, in their instance, these 4 characters, we call them as pod number, POD number, team. This will be unique. Kumar, they are in characters, you are telling number. Yes, we call it as pod number. So for one client, if the characters are EUBG, for other client, the characters will have a differentiation, team, something like this. Okay. Then for another client, the pod number will be, okay, like this, team. So customer to customer, these 4 character pod number will be unique. So when we are in the real-time projects, if you are working for 2 3 clients, by looking at the pod number, we have to identify which client application is what. So these 4 character pod number will be unique when Oracle selling the product in the market to the customer's team. Customer to customer, that 4 character pod number will be unique. Then team, as these are our training environments, we are seeing in the URL that is ending with oracledemos.com, and here also SAS FA demo 1. But in real time, you won't find this extensions team. Okay. Event test also you will not find. .dsfa. Here, demos it will not come. It will come as oraclecloud.com team. In the client real-time environment, the URL looks like this team. Okay. It won't come as a demos or SAS FA demo. Demos means our training environments team. That is why in the URL, the extension you will see like this. But in real time, whenever you're working, client URL will be like this. The 4-character pod number, and this code is the whatever to say data center team. Oracle have their huge data centers across different regions. In US they have data center. In Russia they have. In Middle East they have. In Singapore they have the data center team. Okay. So in Sri Lanka they have. So your client application hosted in which data center? So this code is related to that team, which data center that application is hosted, right? And then at the end you will see as oraclecloud.com. So in your real-time client application, the URL will be like this team, oraclecloud.com at the end. But our training environments will come as a demos.com. For demo purpose, the application Oracle providing for training activities team. Then when you are working in the real-time projects team, we have different types of environments coming into picture. Production environment, test environment, dev environment, like that. Okay. But that is too early for you to understand. When we complete our training, when I start our placement workshop sessions team, okay, then I will explain you what are the different environments we have. Production means what, test means what, development means what and all. But at this point of time, in the day 2 of our training, okay, these knowledge you people should have team. What are the different naming conventions that we used to call our Fusion application, and how the pod number will be unique from customer to customer when Oracle selling the product team. And in the real time, how the URL, I'm also using the word URL, sorry for that, how the environment or instance will be coming up team. So test and production means there will be like after pod number slash test. Dev means after pod number slash dev, like that team. But that I will tell you later on. What is a test environment? What is a dev environment? What is production environment? That all. Okay. Actually, I made a short video probably today or tomorrow in our YouTube channel. That topic also coming team. But anyhow, that will cover in our training time also. So this is about team basic intro to the Fusion application. So cloud-based technology means this one. Ideally, Oracle suggesting Firefox as a best search engine, or the whatever to say uh, search area or the search tool for accessing the Fusion applications team. That doesn't mean that in Google Chrome or Internet Explorer it won't work. It will work team. But we have Firefox, right? Search, what to say, the browser, Firefox browser is there. So that is ideally Oracle suggesting the best search tool for browser tool for accessing the Fusion application team. But I am habituated with Google Chrome. For many years, I'm using Google Chrome. It's fine team. But actually, Oracle suggesting the best browser for accessing the Fusion applications without any issue is Firefox team. So if you want to download that like our Internet Explorer, different Internet Explorers we have right here team, the search tools, Firefox, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox. You better use Firefox as a search tool for accessing the Fusion applications team. That is what Oracle is suggesting, but generally not required team. So this is about uh, environment names that we can refer to. So once we log in into the system, this is the main home screen of the Fusion application team. Okay. So when we log in, a welcome message came, good morning HCM IMPL 13 and all. But while we logging into the system, we have to talk certain things here team. Sign out. Okay. Okay. So when we are trying to log in, when we go and keep your instance into the Internet Explorer, Chrome or anything team, this is the sign in page first system will navigate to us team. Oracle Cloud Account sign in. In order to access the Fusion application, we should require user name and password. Kumar, who will give this, Kumar? See, for you people, today, by end of the day, not now, by end of the day, our admin team will share this application access also to you with the user account and password. If you want to explore, you can start exploring team. Okay. And from tomorrow, once we start our further topics, the very first module I will be talking will be security administration in the training area. This is the first module that we will be starting tomorrow onwards team. So in Fusion system, in security administration module, the user account creation part will be covered. How to get this user accounts created, or when we go for the project for the first time, how for our client application, our user accounts will be created. That I will start team. So as of now, I'm using my account to just log in into the system team. Like every other application like your Gmail or Instagram or Facebook, whenever you are trying to log in, if you forgot your password and all team, you can able to click on this here. You can click on forgot password. Then while your account created in the system, email details will be provided. You can pass your email here team. Okay. And options we have, whether you forgot your username itself or you forgot your password, select the right option and submit team. To this email ID, system will be sending the password reset link. Or if I select this option, to this email ID, system will send the username details team. So while any person login into the system, if they forgot their username or password to the account, they can able to get that accessible here team. And then we have different language versions that Oracle applications are supported. Because team, Oracle Fusion applications are multi-language supported application because Oracle is a global product that is not confined only to US market or Indian market. Across the world, Oracle having many customers who using their technologies team. So to give more localized experience to them in our mobiles also team, if you want to switch the language to your native Telugu or Hindi or anything, Bengali, you can go and change your language, right? Entire mobile will change into our local traditional languages, right? Our fathers or grandfathers used to use the mobiles like that, right? Same way, Fusion application also multi-language supported application team. Whenever a user logging into the system, how he want to handle the system, he can select the language team. For example, you want that to be in French. Select that team. The entire application language will get updated with the French language. See, everything updated with French. See, username, password, forgot things, everything changed to French team. Or if you want it in Arabic, you can keep that as well team. So the entire screen will become with Arabic here. And if you sign in, the entire application also will come with Arabic team. So while you logging into the system only, you can select your language and you can log in. It won't applicable to all users in the system, only to you. You are using with your credentials. For you, that interface will come team. So Oracle Fusion applications are multi-language supported applications team. These many country languages are supported. Hindi is not supported. Probably in the upcoming days we can expect team. So here I'm going with English only. So once you give your username and password and if you sign in, you will be entering into the Fusion Cloud applications team. So this is the welcome screen. Good morning and my name HCM implementation 13, my username team. And I am getting here different options: sales, Redwood sales, service, me, procurement, my client group. These things I'll continue in tomorrow's session team. Okay. So any questions as such today's topic online people? You can please ask me anything. Ramya, after the completion of course, can we apply for both support? Yes, Ramya, definitely. You can apply for any projects, either for implementation, support, or testing. After this training, you are eligible for any of these rules to apply. Okay. So any other questions, team? You can please unmute and you can ask me. So from your side, please do check out team. As I told you, two things. One is, have you received your e-learning portal email or not? Secondly, whether you were added into the WhatsApp community or not. These two things, please do check out from your end. So from tomorrow, we'll be continuing with our regular training team. Please join by sharp 8 o'clock. Don't be delayed. By sharp 8 o'clock every day, please join so that I can conclude by 9 a.m. sharp. Okay.
Yeah, Kumar, I have one question.
Yes, Chandra, please.
Yeah, there are two environments that are shared to me. One is
Two
accessible and the
enrollments
other
or
one
two
is not
instances?
accessible. Which one we need to use?
Two instances have been shared to you, Chandra.
Yeah, with the credentials.
Instances means one will be the private server, one will be the demo one. As I told you yesterday, right? We will provide to you both. So
Yeah,
anything is fine. You can use either of that. Both are same only.
stable.
Private
Stable.
instance will be stable one, which will be without any data refreshes, anything. No password updations frequently. But demos, as I told, it will refresh frequently. It's
Mm.
your choice. My suggestion is better to use the stable one.
Okay, stable. The credentials are not working. I'll reach out to the team.
Will update that. Problem is, if people try attempting more than 4 or 5 times with wrong password, it will automatically lock.
Yeah,
That could be the issue. I'll rectify that, Chandra. No worries.
thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
I have a doubt, Kumar.
Murthy,
After
Murthy, please.
uh, after completion of my course, for example, I didn't get a job. Can I practice in your institution, sir, after 3 months also?
You can come anytime, Murthy. That's not an issue. There is no time limit, something we are keeping. Anytime you can walk into the office and you can sit.
Okay, thank you, Kumar.
Not an issue. You can
Hello.
discuss that part with the admin team. They will help you better than me.
Yeah,
Maybe
Kumar,
Nanda and Nanda
I
Okay,
will
have
thank
a
you,
help
doubt.
Kumar.
you.
Yeah. Is there any separate training for OIC? Uh,
Technical plus OIC, there is a batch going on, Nanda, evening 8:30 to 9:30. Mr. Piyush is taking that batch currently. And last week only we started. I think 4 to 5 sessions are done so far. Once check with the admin, they will guide you with that schedule correctly. Okay.
okay, okay.
Hello.
Kumar.
Hello, sir.
Please.
Sundar here.
Sundar Rao. Yeah.
Yeah. See, I just want to get an estimate like, is it Monday to Friday, every day 1 hour?
Monday to Friday, correct. 8 to 9, Monday to Friday.
And
No
like
weekend.
that, how many weeks you will have?
It will be for 3 months of duration. So it will be
12
like
weeks.
approximately 12 to 13 weeks maximum.
Okay, okay. After that, we'll go into the what is the next stage after that for us?
Placement preparation, and you have to start applying for the interviews. We'll start with
Okay,
resume
okay.
preparation, interview question assessments, and all. Okay.
And parallelly, we can also do the certification.
Correct. If you require certification, don't
If
keep in
okay,
criteria.
fine, fine.
Okay. No worries.
So,
And team,
and
as
do
a
you have?
request, everyone, one announcement team. Uh, if any one or two people left out, please complete your registration team so that our team will share the access to you. From tomorrow, the meeting link will be shared in the WhatsApp community directly for the enrolled participant. A new link we are going to share that will be for next 3 months, the same, more or less. Every day we will not share the link. Tomorrow, a separate paid link will be created for all the participants enrolled into the community. In that we will share the meeting link, so please start joining from that. Okay, so if any one or two left out, please do complete the registrations today. We will be closing the enrollments for the batch by today team. Okay, yes,
Sir, one
Srikanth
more
is again
question.
asking.
Yeah,
Srikanth,
Kumar.
please.
So my question is, do we get access only for the whatever the live recorded sessions, or I mean, my point is, what if I actually do it on my own page? Like, I mean, do I also get
That you have an e-learning
access?
options too.
So, do we get access to that too? If
You
I
will get that stream for e-learning. If you are enrolling means the last batch access you will be getting, so
no,
you
my
can
point
upfront
is like, I
complete.
mean, if I pay whatever the amount, whatever you said, like 999,
You are
do
asking
I
for
get access
both
for the
live
e-learn?
and we'll address that. Not an issue. We can help you out with that.
Okay, because the thing
Okay.
is, I'm already in the project. Like, I don't know if I really
I
have
got
3 months of time to
you want to refer
actually,
something. Yeah.
yeah.
No worries. We can help you out. No worries. Okay.
Thank you.
Hi Kumar, Manaswita here.
Hi, Manaswita.
So Kumar, I
Yes,
just
please,
wanted
Manaswita, please.
if you would provide any placements for the students from US.
US also we do assist because some requirements will be coming. See, in India, definitely we have the requirements coming every month. In US also we do get from some consulting firms over there. So we can map some consultancy numbers to you directly. You can get in touch with them so that they will able to help you with the profile marketing and all. Because what happens is they will enroll their students with us. For every batch they will do. That kind of consultancy associations we have, right? So I'll share the details to you. You can get in touch with them and you can discuss with them, and how they will market, you can check with them.
Okay,
Okay.
yep, got it.
No worries.
Sir, I have one more question.
Yes, Sundar.
Suppose due to some reason we are not able to attend one of the days. So what is your
Recording you will
suggestion?
get immediately, no, Sundar. That is what the e-learning portal that I mentioned to you in the start of the class today. Every
Okay.
day session within next 1 hour will upload in the portal. So if you are free by that time, I mean, if you're not attending the session during 8 to 9, whatever the time you are free in the day, you go through it and you can connect back with us for any doubt or clarification you want. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Kumar, I'm having
Kumar,
one
sorry
question.
to
Just one thing, just want to know, like when we are in the learning path, do we expect all the implementation kind of activities, how it is implementing, and after the
Definitely, as I
implementation,
mentioned, this slide,
support,
just wait a
rollout?
minute. This is what the workshop session I mentioned. Here I'm going to explain you in implementation how the project will be happen, in support how the project will happen, testing means what we will do. In this workshop sessions, I'll be conducting the training on that only. So what really happens in the project, in each phase, what documents we will prepare, how we will interact with the client, how the requirements will flow through client to us. These all things we'll be covering in this implementation workshops. Okay. Leslie, some question, please ask me.
yes. So like the guy was saying, so if you do implement after implementation in a particular
Hmm.
project, right? And
Hmm.
implementation is that what kind of opportunities are there for us? I mean, because implementation means you've implemented, you're done. Do you just walk
Hmm.
away and all you're looking for is implementation, or you do some type of operation support
Support. Hmm.
type of work?
So you're asking what type of roles generally companies will recruit you. That is what your question, right?
Yeah, after implementation, is there anything else after implementation that you can do?
Generally,
Because
after implementation, what happens is support will come into the picture. So
okay,
if your company only extending the support from, I mean, also to the client, then you might be extended to that. You will be working in the support activities also. Whenever client using the system, several issues they will be facing, they will report
okay,
to us, we'll address that. That is
Okay.
one thing. But as soon as that support also completed by your company, you will be mapped to another project by your company. Then you will be moving
Got,
again to the implementation. It's a kind of
got it.
cycle.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Well, team, I'll conclude here for today. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll continue. So, as I told you, please complete the registrations if anyone left out. Today will be the last day for enrollments team because from tomorrow, a separate group and meeting link will be added for the enrolled participants. So, I request everyone, please complete the registrations by today. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. We'll join tomorrow and we'll continue.